Hello YouTube! Welcome to another video of my Swiss Army knife tip and trick series. Today I'll show you some tricks you probably never seen before, how to start a fire with the wood saw. Stay tuned. Starting a fire with fat wood is a well-known bushcraft trick you already saw 1,000 times. Fat wood is resin-soaked wood from a conifer like spruce, pine or fir. Mostly fat wood results in the trunk or in the roots when the trunk is felled or the tree is broken down. To harvest fat wood you usually use quite big tools. An axe for splitting the trunk or a spade for dig out the roots, and I'll show you how to do it with the wood saw. By cutted conifer trunks you often see this ring. This is resin. And the layer right under this resin part is also resin soaked. That's why you can take your saw and you make some dust. And this dust is an excellent fire starter for your fire steel. When you can see this black smoke, this is the sign for resin. With this technique you save a lot of time and energy. Another trick to find resin-rich wood with your wood saw is to cut a branch from a spruce, a pine or fir very close to the trunk. Very often this connecting part contains a lot of resin. I'll show you. Can you see that? So this is the branch I cut it right before. Now I carve away the white parts because this is not resin soaked. And now I take the spine, the sharp spine of my wood saw, and I make little shavings like this. And these shavings burns like hell. In my experience, you will have the best results with these techniques by pine trees. So here is a broken pine tree. I cut away this side branch. Look at this. And you can also smell it. With this technique you don't receive tons of fat wood, but this is already enough for starting a fire. Can you see the black smoke again? Probably you know this kind of fire starters. This is like pressed wood with I don't know inside. I prefer this to all these wax-soaked fire starters, because here can nothing melt in your backpack by hot conditions. The only downside is you can't light it up like this because the surface is compact. Look at this. Doesn't work. If you fluff up the surface with the wood saw a little bit, you need 2 little strokes and it burns. Here we have a horseshoe fungus, and this is about the same. If I cut away a piece of this fungus, and you try to start it, it's hard that it catch a spark. But if you fluff up the surface, now it works a lot better. If you want to learn more tricks with the Swiss Army knife, please subscribe to my channel or check my playlist. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time. Ciao!